Hello, guys. If we talk about cleanliness, everyone likes clean things, right? The problem is that cleanliness seems good to everyone, but when we have to do it ourselves, it often feels miserable. But in today's video, I will show you deep cleaning processes that will satisfy you all. So let's begin our countdown. Number 7, cleaning the dirtiest wash basin. Well, a wash basin is a place where a person bathes, brushes, and cleans themselves. And the cleaner it is, the more enjoyable it feels to use. Though basins are cleaned daily in every home, have you ever seen the world's dirtiest basin being cleaned? The messy and dirty basin you are seeing here looks more like a trash can than a basin. The dirt on it is so thick that just thinking about cleaning it would make anyone nervous. But this lady cleaner cleaned this basin in such a good way that by the end you will all be amazed. First, this lady added liquid bleach and dishwashing liquid and started scrubbing the basin with the help of a sponge. There was so much dirt on the basin that the sponge's color changed from yellow to black. After doing all this, she washed the basin, and after washing it became so clean that it's hard to believe it was the same dirty basin. After washing the basin, she started cleaning the tap area with liquid cleaner. The basin's look had already changed, and now the tap was shining as if it had just been installed. Well, this deep cleaning was truly amazing. Number 8, deep cleaning mattresses. The video you are watching now shows a worker deep cleaning different mattresses. Normally, people cover mattresses with covers so that they don't get dirty, but even then, they get so dirty that after use, their original color hides under layers of dirt. This worker deep cleans these mattresses in such an amazing way that watching it feels enjoyable. First, he cleans the side of the mattress with the help of a small vacuum. This vacuum looks small, but it pulls dust from the mattress in such a way that its real color starts to appear. These handheld vacuums are often equipped with HEPA filters, which can trap even the smallest allergens, ensuring a cleaner and healthier surface. After this, he takes a big vacuum and starts cleaning the center of the bed. This person's cleaning method is so amazing that anyone watching it would be impressed. Finally, when this person finishes cleaning the mattresses, their entire look changes. As you can see, these are the same dirty mattresses that 5 minutes ago looked years old. Number 5, transforming a dirty metal grill. If dirt or grime accumulates on metal objects, it becomes very difficult to clean. But after watching this video, it seems like cleaning metal is child's play. This metal grill you are seeing had such a thick layer of dust and dirt that it looked like it could never be cleaned, but a genius worker cleaned it using detergent and high-pressure water so effectively that it now looks like it was never dirty. Did you know high-pressure water jets can exert up to 4,000 psi, which is powerful enough to strip paint, cut through grime, and even remove rust from metal surfaces? This worker is truly professional. Number 6, deep cleaning a snooker table. Many of you must go to play snooker. It is a popular game, especially in UK and China. Usually, the table on which snooker is played always has a clean surface, but do you know how the surface of the table is deep cleaned? Well, in this video you are watching, a snooker table is being cleaned with the help of a water vacuum cleaner. Due to chalk and dust, the surface had become so dirty that its real color, dark green, started to appear. But when a water vacuum was applied to this seemingly clean snooker table, its real color began to emerge from underneath, which was not dark but a light and satisfying green. The precision of this cleaning process ensures that the surface retains its smooth texture essential for a good game of snooker. This process is truly worth watching. Number 4, reviving an ancient carpet. Have you ever seen the world's dirtiest carpet being cleaned? In this video, an ancient carpet is being deep cleaned. A worker first wets the carpet thoroughly with water and starts spraying a cleaning chemical on it. After this, he brings a cleaning machine and starts cleaning the carpet. Then, when it is washed with high-pressure water, black water comes out, and along with it, a little of the carpet's real color also starts to appear. After this, the worker starts wiping the carpet with a wiper. As you can see, even after wiping so many times, dirt is still coming out of the carpet as if it is still dirty. Anyways, he added cleaning chemicals again and repeated the same process. By applying high-pressure water and wiping repeatedly, the carpet finally started to regain its proper shape. In the end, when the carpet was put in the spinner and dried, it became so clean that no one could believe it was ever dirty. Anyways, this worker proved one thing: nothing is impossible to clean. Number 2, deep cleaning white shoes. Talking about shoes, they get so dirty after just one use that they cannot be worn again without washing. And when it comes to cleaning white shoes, it feels like one of the hardest tasks in the world. But you've never seen such an amazing cleaning process for white shoes before. First, detergent is sprayed on them, and with the help of a brush, they are cleaned thoroughly to remove all the dirt. After this, the shoes are dipped in bleach water so that any yellowing and remaining dirt also get removed. Bleach is particularly effective in breaking down organic stains, such as those caused by sweat or dirt, making it ideal for white fabrics. However, it's important to dilute bleach properly to avoid damaging the material. Then they are dipped in boiled water for a while to make them even shinier. As you can see, after being dipped in bleach and boiled water, these shoes look as if they are brand new, and when they are spun dry, they look even fresher. White shoes are highly prone to yellowing due to oxidation and exposure to sunlight. A mixture of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide can be an alternative to bleach for maintaining their brightness. Well, if you also have white shoes, you can deep clean them in this way too. Number 3, cleaning the dirtiest car. We all have been there seeing cars being cleaned at service stations, but have you ever seen the world's dirtiest car being cleaned at a service station? Well, the car you are seeing here can rightfully be called the world's dirtiest car. The reason is that it's so dirty that even identifying its color is difficult. This worker made the car shine so well that it feels satisfying to watch. First, he removes the layers of mud on the car with a high-pressure water pipe. Did you know? High-pressure washers not only clean the surface, but also reduce the risk of scratches caused by trapped dirt during manual scrubbing. The water pressure is so high that the car becomes almost clean after the first wash. After cleaning the front, the worker washes the tires and sides in the same way. The tires, which were caked with mud and grime, now regain their black, shiny appearance. This not only enhances the car's look, but also improves safety since clean tires have better traction. Now the trunk and back bonnet are cleaned, and then the same process is repeated for the other sides and tires. After this, the worker sprays detergent on the car and washes it again with high-pressure water. Now he cleans the entire car with the help of a sponge and detergent and uses a special brush for the tires. Number 1, transforming a bathroom. In this video, you can see a lady cleaner cleaning the floor and tiles of a bathroom. At first glance, this bathroom looks like it hasn't been used for centuries. Dirt and grime are accumulated everywhere, and cleaning it doesn't seem like an easy task. But this worker is so expert that watching her work is amazing. Well, first of all, she sprinkled bleach all over the floor and started scrubbing it with a sponge. As you can see in the video, the floor was so dirty and full of cobwebs that even the sponge was filled with dirt. After scrubbing with bleach, she started washing the floor with a pipe. Now the floor looks so clean that it's hard to believe it was ever dirty. After doing all this, she went to the commode area and started cleaning it and the floor with bleach. As you can see, both the commode and floor now look as clean as new. The most difficult task was to clean the bathtub and floor tiles, as this area was the dirtiest. However, for this professional, it was like a piece of cake. First, she poured a cleaning agent on the floor and started cleaning it with a scraper. The tiles were not only getting clean, but the real color was also coming out. After this, she cleaned the tiles with the same technique and then moved on to the bathtub. The layers of grime on the bathtub were so thick that it almost looked unusable. First, the cleaner removed the layers with a scraper and then deep cleaned the tub. With the help of bleach, the tub got clean, and to make it shine further, the lady worker applied white polish, making it even shinier. Polishing the tub not only enhances its appearance, but also provides a protective layer, preventing dirt from sticking easily in the future. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning about these processes as much as I enjoyed sharing them. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.